So he discerned a possible case of possession and immediately called for an exorcist. Now, let's go to the third case that I want to share with you. While heading to a chapel, some guards suddenly closed the chapel without explanation. And I asked, what's happening? I always go here to this chapel to do my daily mass and daily prayers. And then moments later, I heard loud shrieks coming from the inside. And apparently, let's hide the name of this girl by the name of Anna, was in obvious spiritual distress. She was shouting. I couldn't understand what she was shouting, but we learned later on through friends who are connected to the chapel and the Office of Exorcism that Anna had dabbled in the occult and began doubting her faith. So what happened? We learned later on, during confession, she was advised to go to confession. She started banging her head in the confessional. She started speaking fluent Latin, even without prior knowledge or training. And she started bolting out of the confessional in a very weird manner. And the priest knew that there was something going on.